AI is turning out to be a very diverse term, and it gets applied to so many different things. Most of what's getting all the excitement is machine learning and large language models.
On the one side, we have these phenomenal and very powerful large language models. But what sets us apart is how we bring it together with SAP data, because these large language models have been trained up until a certain point, or they may hallucinate. But when we ground them in the real-time data of an SAP system, there's a unique combination that only SAP can pull off.
The use of AI needs an extensive amount of trustworthy data, and SAP is in the unique position to have access to this kind of data and to build a foundation model in a relevant, responsible, and reliable way based on leading in ethics and privacy standards. SAP takes effect of its global network of universities and research institutions to enhance this foundation model and to build on that, and also to work together with them how to realize a trustworthy and explainable AI.
Our big challenge, however, is that sometimes it makes things up. And so we have work to do to train the systems to reward them for not making things up. And that's still a work in progress. But it's a very exciting new area of research because we have the tools today to explore a space that was untouchable even 10 years ago. One of my colleagues suggested to me that even when they are wrong, they sometimes put together ideas that we might not have associated with each other, stimulating some creative thinking. And so we might use these things as brainstorming tools, if not as devices for absolute accuracy and truthful retrieval.
I work on AI in healthcare, and basically my research aims to develop AI techniques based on data to diagnose and treat different diseases. When it comes to healthcare, the biggest issue that comes to my mind first is access to data. It takes roughly in Australia 18 months to get just the ethics approval to start collecting data. Imagine if you're a PhD student and you just spend 2 years of your research just trying to get access data. It's going to be really hard.
Generative AI have a huge potential, right, to disrupt all the areas that are just usual to us today. And in particular, when we talk about business applications, I strongly believe we will see disruptions in all lines of businesses, from sales, services, marketing, over HR, down to finance and the supply chain, but of course also towards developers, because the way how we actually build and develop software will fundamentally change.